You know that sluggish, lethargic feeling that just seems to follow you around all day, no matter how much coffee you drink or how many hours you sleep. It's like your energy is stuck in neutral, and your mood is just along for the ride. But what if I told you there's a simple, daily ritual that can help shift your energy and balance your mood? It's called the gelatin trick, and it's been a total game changer for me. By incorporating the gelatin trick into my morning routine, I've noticed a significant difference in my overall sense of well-being. My mind feels clearer, my body feels lighter, and I'm able to tackle the day with more enthusiasm and motivation. The gelatin trick is all about using a natural ingredient to support your body's natural rhythms, and it's amazing how such a small change can have such a profound impact. If you're curious about how to use the gelatin trick to boost your energy and balance your mood, be sure to check out the link in my description for more information, and take a look at the pinned comment below for some additional tips on getting started with the gelatin trick. I think you'll be amazed at how it can help you wake up feeling more refreshed and revitalized. Give the gelatin trick a try and see the difference for yourself.